Hello friends, we have learned the sounds a, b, k. In this video, we'll be learning 3 new sounds. Let's start with that. So, this is what? This is d sound. D sound. Its name is D, but what does it say? D. What does it say? D. Mama d, baby d. Mama d, baby d. Mama d, baby d. D. Dog. Donkey. Dolphin. Dress. Door. Duck. Let's do it again. Mama d, baby d. What's his name? D. Mama d, baby d. Dog. Donkey. Dolphin. Duck. Door. Dress. This is doll. Donut. Donkey. Duck. Doll. Donut. Donkey. Duck. Do you want to recite a rhyme with me for the sound? Let's start. The dog is playing the drum. The dog is playing the drum. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. The dog is playing the drum. The dog is playing the drum. The dog is playing the drum. Da, da, da. Da, da, da. The dog is playing the drum. Now, do you want to listen a story? Let's start. So, one day there was a boy. His name was Derek. Derek. What? He's having a zoo of dangerous animals. Dangerous animals. And one day what happened? Somebody took his donkey. One dangerous man took his donkey. So what he did? He played a drum to find a donkey. What he did? He played a drum to find his donkey. See, so many d sounds words. Let's do it again. Derek, drum, dangerous animals, donkey. Let's move to the next sound. This is sound. Which sound is this? Pull your tummy inside. Its name is E, but what does it say? Its name is E, but what does it say? Elephant, engine, envelope, eggs. Elephant, engine, envelope, eggs. This is eggplant. This is elbow. And what she's doing? Exercise. This is eggplant, elbow, exercise. Now, do you want to recite a rhyme? Let's start. So, who is she? She's an Ellie. What she's doing? She's breaking eggs. Let's start. Ellie break an egg. 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 Do you want to listen a story? One day, elephant is going to give an envelope to his friends Ellie. And what he made for the dinner? Eggplant and egg. So, elephant is going to give an envelope for a party to his friend Ellie, and what he made for the dinner? Egg, egg, elephant, envelope, Ellie, egg, eggplant, egg. Very good. Now next sound is first sound. Next sound is first sound. Your upper teeth will touch the lower lip. F, f. This is what's his name? F. What's his name? F. And what does it says? F. Fish. Fan. Fruits. Flower. Frog. Family. Fairy. Let's do it again. This is with sound. F. Fish. Fan. Fruits. Flower. Frog. Family. Fairy. This is what? Fox. Fox. Five. Which number? 5. Give me a high five. 5. This is fence. Fire. Feather. Fox. 5. Fence. Fire. Feather. Do you want to recite a rhyme with me? Let's start. The frog eat the fruits. Frog. What he's doing, he's eating the fruits. The frog eat the fruits. The frog eat the fruits. F. The frog eat the fruits. 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 Do you want to listen a story now? Okay, let's start. So one day there was a boy. His name was Fran. Fran. What he was doing? He was doing fishing. Fishing. What happened? Then suddenly a frog came. Frog came and he frightened the Fran. So see, we have learned so many sounds. Fran, fishing, frog. And what happened to Fran? He frightened. Frightened. So bye friends. See you in my next video with 3 more sound. Please like and subscribe my channel. For my first video, see the link below. Bye.